What up, YouTube? It's your boy SpyderBuff1330 here with another video. What's happening, everybody? So today, y'all see it, y'all know what it is. It's been a minute since I did an unboxing. I don't even remember what it is. I had it for a couple of days. But when I order stuff, I just keep it moving. And when it comes. So we're gonna see what it is. Let's see what we got. Let's see what the new install is gonna be. I believe it's two things, I'm not sure. Yeah, I believe so. Looks like it, okay. You know, shipping label, same bull crap. Slim wide sticker, yeah, I already know what that is. Okay, oh, this is, alright. Mount. Suction cup. Okay, this is the plug and play top case brake light flasher modulator for the Can Am Spyder F3 Limited 2017 Plus and RT Limited 2020 Plus. So that's for when you put your feet on the brakes when you're on your bike on a Can Am. You got the top case. When you put your feet on the brake, it's gonna flash 3 times before it has the initial brake light. Almost like a brake check, but it give you 3 flashes, and before the main light comes on. And this here is ram mount twist lock suction cup base with the ball. Oh, this is a rear view mirror. It goes on the dashboard or windscreen, depending on how you mount it. Center convex mirror bracket with ball mount. Alright, so the convex mirror, like a rear view mirror in the car, but this is for the bike. And this one is the ram mount short extension on B size 1-inch ball. Alright, so you got, I guess it's 3 different options you can use. See that? I think I'm going to do the suction cup, I believe, which is this one. So it'll be right in front of me on the mirror. That's good for, you know, because you got your side mirror, but you sitting straight and you want to see behind you just like in your car. I heard it was pretty good. So you got your hardware here. And here's the mirror. Wow, I honestly think it was bigger than this. This is small. It looked bigger on the computer, on TV. I guess it's like, I don't know if it's this way. So you can see everything behind me. Like this. See the cars and everything behind me. I don't remember which. Doesn't matter. But it's going to be like this here in front of you. And I can see everything behind me. Just like in a car. Cool. I'm pretty sure this got some type of plastic on it too. So there you have it. Convex rearview mirror for Can Am Spyder RT or the F3. And I'm gonna do a install on that probably tomorrow. It's raining right now, so I'm not gonna go outside in the rain. And then you got the, like I said, the top case. I believe this is a quick install also. Take the top case, just take the light out, plug and play, put it back in. You need that. I was already rear-ended about 3 weeks ago, so make sure people see me. And I just can't wait to get the rest of the lights. I gotta get lights, y'all, because some rear lights, some more lights on the back of the bike, because these people, I understand how you don't see the bike. And it's not a little bike, no small bike. It's sit high enough. But people just not paying attention. And I don't want to be nobody's mistake or nobody's accident. So I can't wait to get, I'm thinking before I get any other lights, it's going to be rear lights. And so, basically all of safety lights I need for the side, for the footboards and the rear. All of everything that nighttime, that bike lights up. Mainly the rear, because these people is crazy. And I got hit once. I don't want a second time. Alright, y'all, so that's it. It was short. It was an unboxing. Like I said, more likely I'll do a video tomorrow for the install, 2 separate installs. And I'll probably make it 1 install because they're both pretty simple. And I'll see y'all then. It's your boy Spyder Buff 1330. Ride safe. I'm out. See you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe, share with your family and friends. And hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I do another video. Peace. I'm out.